Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beignets. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Begin by proofing the yeast in 1/2 cup of warm water with a pinch of sugar. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. Then, combine the yeast mixture with milk, eggs, and melted butter in a large bowl. Gradually add flour, sugar, and salt, mixing until a soft dough forms. Once your dough is formed, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for developing the gluten, which gives beignets their characteristic chewiness. Place the kneaded dough into a greased bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel and let it rise in a warm place for approximately 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. After the dough has risen, gently punch it down and turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut the dough into 2-inch squares or rectangles. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few dough pieces into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Fry for about 1 minute per side until they are puffed and golden brown. Once your beignets are beautifully golden, carefully remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon. Place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While still warm, generously dust them with powdered sugar. These delightful treats are best enjoyed fresh, so serve them immediately with a cup of coffee or hot chocolate. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade taste of New Orleans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.